I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way.
Hey happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be cleaning out my girls' closet. So I want to show you guys what I'm doing here. Basically, because my girls are sharing a closet, it is pretty full. It's kind of hard to show you guys the sides of it. But what I want to do is go and take out all their fancy church dresses and stuff like that. If there's any jackets still in here, and move these into the spare closet because my sister was living with us for the summer. And that is why we combined their closets, but they do share this bedroom still. So I just want all of their everyday clothes to be in this one room. We have the dresser now. If you guys didn't see last time I showed this, those are wall stickers so they can be peeled off and not mess up the paint or anything on the dresser. So I thought that was cute. They kind of got to decorate in here how they wanted. But anyway, I digress. Basically, I'm wanting to move any non-everyday things out of this closet and put them in the guest closet so that my daughter's school clothes can come in here. I have been keeping her school clothes in in a spare closet. So this is the closet that my sister was using. The lights are out in here, so the lighting is off. So this is the closet that Aaron keeps his motorcycle gear in, but I also have my daughter's, all of her uniforms, which most of them are in the wash right now except the wintery stuff. But anyway, I want to get all this stuff out of here as well as their bows and be able to have just this closet just, you know, with his motorcycle gear, and be able to have her uniforms in her closet. So I just need to make room in that closet to be able to do that.
I won't slow down. To be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way. I won't slow down. I am on my way. I won't slow down. Lost and hopeless, when I was at my worst, it's grace that you extended.
All right, you guys, so sound off. How is school going? If you guys are back in school, Alexa is starting her third full week of school this week, so we've got the first 2 weeks behind us. I know some people in certain areas of the country have not even gone back to school yet, which seems crazy to me, but I know when we were living in Michigan for a little bit, they don't start till like September, some schools, and then they don't get out till June, whereas here we're out by mid-May, but we go back at the very beginning of August, like the first or second full week of August. So yeah, it's been going good. I did get in trouble for her uniform a couple of times, which obviously they're very gracious because we're a new family at the school. But the thing is, I read the entire like parent, family, student handbook or whatever, and they made some changes. They released the new handbook 2 weeks before school started, and I had bought all of her like uniforms and stuff, at the beginning of the summer. Like as soon as I enrolled her at the end of last school year, I literally only waited a few more weeks to go get her uniforms and just like be ahead on everything. So now I know not to do that because they changed a few things, not a lot, but 2 of the things that I bought her I couldn't do, and then there was something else that I had to go and purchase to be compliant with the uniforms. But we got it all straightened out, so it all ended up being okay.
Love is made a way. Hallelujah. Forever I give thanks. Hallelujah. Love is made a way. Hallelujah. If forever I give thanks. Oh, and I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the...
Okay, so I'm gonna have fancy dresses, sweatpants, long sleeve dresses or holiday themed, like this Baby Yoda Christmas outfit, and then jackets. So I'm gonna remove this out of the closet so I have more room, but that's the 3 sections of things that I'm gonna have in this other closet. Also, I ended up getting Kenzie into a preschool 2-day-a-week program. So I'm actually pretty excited about that because I wasn't gonna send her anywhere like I told you guys, but she has been like so sad that she can't go to school. So yeah, I'm excited because we got off the waiting list for a school that hasn't even started yet. So she'll be going on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 to 2 like she did last year. So I'm really excited about that. I'm still gonna be doing the pre-K4 Abeka program with her because we started that when Lexa started school, the homeschool version of it. So I'm going to keep doing that with her on the days that she doesn't go to school. So we'll, she'll just be well-rounded this next year, but she's super excited about it. I was really excited because I thought once school started that wouldn't get a call at all, or, maybe in the middle of the school year or something if somebody dropped out. But regardless, I kind of had just given up on it. Well, they just called me last week, and yeah, so she hasn't missed anything because Meet the Teachers on August 31st, and then she starts the first week of September. So I'm actually excited about that. I'll have 2 days to be able to go to doctor's appointments and stuff like that as well. So that's really nice.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are
Okay, so I tell you guys this in every single organizational video, but this is another thing that I have been putting off that just was not that bad and did not take that long. As you guys can see, this video ended up only being about 15 minutes or maybe a little bit less, which means probably only took me about a little over an hour to do it. So which is pretty crazy. But yeah, this turned out, as you guys will see in the end, great. Ended up not being a big deal, but it was something that was hanging over my head. So once again, as in every decluttering video that I have for you guys, is just a reminder to do it. In most cases, it's not as bad as you think it's going to be. And if it is, just feel free to take it in small chunks. If you've seen my big organizational video that I did with my sister's house, we literally just took things out one basket at a time. And sometimes that's what you have to do, but then other times you're pleasantly surprised and the project really doesn't take that long. So the next thing I'm going to need to tackle is my closet. So you guys stay tuned for that.
Such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure the truth? My Father in heaven loves me. I dance in the pool.
the power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come undone. You are maker, maker of all things. You are lover, lover of all beings. My redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name.
Okay, so this open spot right here is for her uniforms. I do need to still go through these pants because I have a feeling a lot of those pants actually don't fit her. But the right is all of Kenzie's stuff and the left is all of Lexa's. I have all of their casual things in here. This is some more stuff that's going in this other closet. So I'm gonna put these last couple of things in here. Really hoping she can fit these jeans this fall because she has not been able to fit the waistband of jeans her size since she's been born. Even with the adjustable waistbands and all of that, I've talked to you guys about that a few times. So here is their fancy dresses, either really thick pants or jean, like real blue jeans, and then long sleeve items, and then jackets and sweaters. So this will be like basically their winter closet. I'm going to put all of these hangers in the spare closet, and this is where we're leaving their closet until I get the laundry done. I have a few loads of laundry, so all of her uniforms, it's Friday, so all her uniforms will be coming out and being washed and put away this weekend. So I'm glad to have gotten this done before the next school week.
Your name. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love is free and wide. He is the master of my life. He washes over me with light, serenity, a holy peace. He shows his love.
Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
Of my life.